What if I told you that there is a way that you can use pre-made templates into your board projects? Basically, these are templates that people have been building and they were kind enough to share them with the world. This is what we're going to be talking about today, a brand new site called Board Starter that offers pre-made templates that have been built by people that you can use completely free. All you have to do is click a button and the board project will open. But with that being said, let me show you what I'm talking about. And the site that I'm talking about, Bolt.Starter.com, just like you see it up here. I will leave the link down in the description below, so it's easier for you to go and click. But this is exactly what you need if you're getting started, or if you just need a little bit more inspiration. You can go into any of these projects. There are dashboards, chat interfaces, blog templates. Some of them have been done by the Stack Blitz team, but some of them have been done by the community. And you can even submit your own. If we figure out how to do it, we'll figure out in a moment. For the most part, they're only the user interface. They are not the workflows that you will need in order to achieve the actions that you will need. So there's a CRM system. My assumption is that some of them will have some of the interactions that you need, the workflows, but not all of them. There's a habit tracker, a forum. This is super cool. Point of sale system. That's really nice. So there are literally hundreds of them in these, well, maybe dozens of them in this site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the social media platform and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So I just click the button. It took me to Bolt. And when it took me to Bolt, it just ran the whole code that I push. I'm ready to assist you. Let's look at the code really quick. That's your right. All right, so okay. So I was just impatient. Here is the preview. So basically, this is an S clone. Let's see if, yeah. Like I mentioned, there is no clicking. It's just on the user interface, but this is a great head start if you're looking to build a S clone. Let's go back and let's take a look at which one was the one? The point of sale system. Let's see what that one offers. And while that one opens, we're going to go back to Board Starter and we're going to open one more. And that will give us enough of an idea of exactly what we're looking at. So I'm going to go back. Okay, so this point of sale system, just like most point of sale systems out there, got all your menu that you can select and it get added to the cart. And then you can process payment. Really cool. I really like this concept. Even has a loyalty card. That is. This is a calculator. All right. That's pretty nice. And let's look at the last one. All right, so this is a Typhon. Cool. Eco. Hello, well, thank you. All right, I really like this. Well, I really like them all. Um, see, only to take a look at the CRM system. Another good thing about board starter is that it tells you they get tags, so you get a better idea of which technology was used to build in. So JavaScript, TypeScript, Astro, right here, and JavaScript, Angular. Um, so Nest.js. So it gives you a better idea of what you're getting. Let's open these. Oh, wow. This is actually really nice. Oh, you get tabs too. Oh, there's a conversation. Okay. Campaigns, reports. Oh, actually, this is one of the most complete CRM templates I had seen in this site. Well, it's the only one. I should say it's one of the most complete templates as a whole that I have seen on this site. Um, I think we explore exactly what we need. And we have reached the end of this video. I really hope that this is useful to you and that you're able to um, use this as a starting point for your projects, whether that is that you want to be a CRM, a point of sale system, or anything else. I'm sure that there are more templates being added consistently because the developer West, he's on Twitter. I follow him and I have seen his updates. So if that's something that you really want, then come back and check perhaps in a few days and there might be more templates added to this. With that being said, I really appreciate you taking your time and watching this video with me. If you like it, please like and subscribe. It will really help me reach more people and spread out the word that, hey, it's completely possible to build tools using AI and how to do it. I have been teaching how to do it for the last couple of weeks. Before that, I was teaching how to do it using no-code tools like Bubble. So this is something that I'm passionate about. I really want to help people achieve their dreams and goals using tools that allow you to build without writing code. But with that being said, if you don't like or subscribe, hey, no harm, no foul, no big deal. I really hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I really hope that I help you out on this one.